Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. 40th birthday for you. I hope you have fun and have some surprises, 'cause it's your 40th birthday for you. Blow out the candles and make a good wish. It's always about having fun for you. Do this like this. Do you like it? Of course you do. Of course you will. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. So go have some fun today. It's your 40th birthday for you. If you like it, come along with you. It's alright if it's okay. You can do whatever you want on your birthday, birthday day. All you have to do is have fun with your friends. What?
Say happy birthday, Auntie Rosie.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rosie. I love you.